Good morning, everyone, my dear friends and our respected soul. My name is Abhishek Raj, and today I would like to present my topic through this animated presentation video. So, in this video, I will tell you why I selected this headline for my topic, and then I will discuss my topic in brief, and then I will tell you main reasons of this, why illiteracy is only seen in tunnels life. As we know that illiteracy means inability to read or write anything, or also we can say in simple words, if any person who has not well educated or he has don't ability to read or write anything, so he is regarded as illiterate person in our society. And other hand, if someone is well educated or he has ability to read or write anything, so he is regarded as or known as literate person in our society. In our society, everybody gives respect to literate persons because they know he is educated, and knowledge and education is the most powerful weapon in this world. In our society, literate persons always seen in spotlight, while illiterate persons always seen in tunnel slide because they are uneducated. For a illiterate person, English alphabet A is also like three sticks. So our society does not give respect to illiterate persons because we know without education we can't do anything and our life is meaningless without education. So today I use this title for my topic because I want to describe the power of knowledge and the power of education in this world among us. We also know that our basic needs of life is food, cloth or shelter. So these things are essential for our life to survive on earth. So how we can get these things? So we can get these things by money. And how we can earn money? So we can earn money by a better job. And how can we get a better job? So we can get a better job by our education, knowledge and educational degrees. So it means our whole life depends on education. So I think not just food, cloth or shelter is necessary for our life, while education is also should our fourth need from our birth. In last centuries, education is only a part of our life, and but nowadays education is everything for our life. And nowadays, everybody wants to see himself in a spotlight. Nobody wants to see himself in tunnel light. Here, spotlight means a good state or well condition in our society, and tunnels light means worst condition or not well state in our society. But you should also aware that the difference between getting knowledge from book and only seeing the book. To understand this, let us take an example. If someone is thirsty, so he can't drink water just by looking the well. To draw water from well, he would need a rope and bucket. Similarly, if this well is our book and the water is our knowledge, so we can't get knowledge just by seeing them. If we want to get knowledge from our book, so first we should try to understand the concepts. You should also know that if someone is very educated and he has many educational degrees, but he has no manner of behave and talk, and if he abuses, so he is educated illiterate. In our country, major reasons behind illiteracy is only our mentality and British rule. In 18th-19th century, British came in our country and defeated many Indian rulers and designated himself as a ruler of India, and he took major part of country under them, and he treated India as only their want or need. He never want to become success India and Indian peoples. As a result, we have no many primary or secondary schools until independence. They always kept us busy in indigo cultivation or other farming activities. They never gave any idea towards education or to become successful men. In 19th-20th centuries, our society also did a very big mistake. They kept lock our girls in home because the thing, what will the girl child do after being educated? They think girl will go her in-law's house and take her responsibilities, and also they save their money because on that time dowry system was like a trend. So this so they save their money instead and spend on girls' education. So to cause of these, our girls was not progressed. At the independence time, we also see partition, which is also a major reason behind illiteracy because many refugees came in our country and make a sudden increasing population like situation. Because of many people, our society was also divided in many different religion, caste or subcaste, and that make discrimination on the basis of social, common and economic life. Because of rapid increasing of population, many people become or being homeless, and few had suffered many difficulties. And on that time, many parents not had well economic condition to send their children at school. There are many reasons behind illiteracy, and we already seen. India is on second number on world's largest population, but population is not a problem of this. Major number of illiterates is problem, and I am sure one day these problems will solve by education. We did many mistakes in our past, but we should try to learn from them and try to correct them because both groups are seen in our society. But a little thing that make different from each other, that one who is literate is always seen in spotlight, and that one who is illiterate is always seen in tunnel's light. Thank you everyone. I hope you would like my presentation. Thanks for watching my presentation. Thank you.